Hello children, today in our class we will see the letters E and E, that is short E and long E, choti E, badi E. Okay, before going to these two letters how to write, just we will see the oral part. Okay, A से अनार, आ से आम, ई से इमली, ई से ईक, ऊ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊन, रू से ऋषि, ए से ईडी, आई से ऐनक, ओ से ओकली, औ से औरत, अम से अंगूर, आहा से आहा. यस, आ से अनार, आ से आम, ई से इमली, ई से ईख, ऊ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊन, रू से ऋषि, ए से एड़ी, आई से ऐनक, ओ से ओकली, औ से औरत, अम से अंगूर, aha से ahaha. Now in the last class I told you we call all these letters as what? What I told you? We call all these letters. What are these letters? All these letters. Swar. Isn't it? From A to aha. We call all these letters as swar. What is this? Swar. Yes? Now, I told you how to write A and A in the last class. Now, in this class we will see choti E and badi E. Okay. E से इमली. Yes? E से इमली. ई से ईक, ई से ईक. Now, ई से इमली. Imali means what, children? Imali means tamarind. Yes? Imali means tamarind. Okay? Did any time you taste the tamarind? How the taste of the tamarind will be? It will be sweet and sour. Okay, if you did not taste, just ask your mother and taste the tamarind. Okay, it will be taste how? It tastes like sour to sweet. Okay, now how you will write the letter E, choti E? First, sleeping line. Okay, sleeping line and small standing line and write the letter S. Okay, and turn. E. E से इमली. E से इमली. Okay. Now, first sleeping line, small standing line, and S. You all know the letter S. Okay, and turn like this. E. E से इमली. Now, this one what? E say eek. Eek means what, children? Sugar cane. Yes. You will all drink the sugar cane juice in the summer season. Yes. Yeah, that is, we call it in Hindi sugar cane as eek. Okay. E say eek. Sugar cane. Yes, you will all drink the sugar cane juice from this one only, sugarcane juice, and you will get sugar also from this. Eek. Okay, badi E for badi E means eek. Okay, E say eek. Now see here, how you will write this letter E, badi? Same like choti only. First sleeping line, again small standing line, and again you have to write the letter S and turn like this and hook on the upside. We call it as a rekha in Hindi. Okay? This is called rekha. This is the letter E. E से इमली, E से ईक, E से इमली, E से ईक. Practice these two letters, children, how to write. Okay, in the last class we studied the letter A and choti E and badi A. Sorry, choti A and badi A. Okay, along with these two, learn, practice this one also. A, E, E. These 4 letters practice. Okay, thank you.